Hello everyone, my name is Diana Leon, an undergraduate student of the bachelor's program in English as a foreign language. Currently, I am in sixth semester. I am 35 years old and I live in Bogota. This video is intended to summarize and self-evaluate the Colombian education course. In one of the first videos of the bibliography reference, we can begin to see the need to change many aspects of the educational system. The government has a great responsibility, a petty responsibility in the change, but also the students and the parents. In my mom, you can see some of the most important aspects developed throughout of the course. You can see with every aspect different characteristics. In the first activity, we'll recognize some of the weaknesses of the Colombian education system. Among, we can mention the absence of the solid policies, the lack of resources, and institutional policies. Specifically speaking of the Colombian bilingual education, we have some different projects and laws and have to try to advance in this field. But it is necessary to integrate infrastructure, technology, economic, and resources. Some of the programs or policies of Colombia we can say COFE in 1982, National Bilingual Program in 2004, and Colombia Bilingüe in 2018. But we need to rethink more about these programs. In the last part of the course, we made an analysis of the globalization and how it influenced bilingual training process. Choose a language and culture are a fundamental part of teaching and learning process, and that globalization has inevitably modified educational process. And that is necessary to rethink these models to prepare people to face a globalized and technological world. As a future teacher, I want to commit myself to my country and to the students, not only to teach English, but also for comprehensive training. We need to know the history. We need to know the programs and the laws of our country. It is important to make a new projects, and maybe someday we can achieve the real bilingual Colombian country. Thank you so much. Thank you, teacher, for your patience, for your time, for your guides. This course for me was very very useful for my formation, for my uh, training process. Uh, Thank you so much.